guys, we're going on another adventure with the girls Kimiko and some lovely ladies from Czech and Poland. You don't know her? Yes. Going on the riverbed. Yes, dance on the riverbed. It's gonna be nice. They're gonna enjoy it. It's a surprise. Let's see them face. You don't cuss now, you're still a cuss.
We are on forward together, united motherland, no matter the nationality or the religion. I feel with decision to fix the thing.
I don't know.
I will remember the day.
Yeah. Welcome, man.
Revive and think. The feelings by up in the right control. The sweet high like kite and drum. Press me, why not? Eyes are ain't nothing gonna stop me from.
Can I take a red stripe, please?
No, I forget some.
You done?
Yeah, man.
You have drunk now?
The music play and the people smile. Put energy down on people.
Yes, a good girl took a drink and a puff and went right to it. We dance, we sing, we laugh, we chant. I taught an introduction to Jamaican folk and give them a leverage of understanding when it comes on to our roots and culture in Jamaica. Yeah.
Forward. Hey. Hey. Nice. Dance. Dance. Any other movement you want to do? Just dance. Going around now. Go around in circles. Anything you want to do.
Right, so after that, me and the ladies took some folklore picture before we continued with the fun.
Hey, that's a wrap, guys. Class was lit. Class nice like sugar and spice. And the girls, I'm ready to take a dip into some more niceness here at the hidden river in Ocho. It's a gem. And here is Clara. How was class, Clara?
Amazing, amazing. With Kimiko, always the best. We started with the roots, and that's important.
Yes, exactly. Mwah. You're so nice. Yes. We're up on the river. I jiggle up a body and I have some fun with some nice dragon and white rum. Yeah, red stripe. We're there tonight. Whoa. On the river, on the bank, on the river, on the bank, on the river, on the bank, on the river, on the bank. Hey, you're so nice. Come to Kimiko's classes and excursion in Ocho, all over Jamaica. With the way for fun, with the way for fun. Oh my God!
Yeah, you know when bumper big bumper for drop sometime.
Hey, that carried up. Oh, boy! Hi, boom boom, girl. Yes, you feel shake it, you feel shake it. Yeah. drama. Yo! The current strong. Just a push away. It's nice. Trying to be sexy, but like trying to be sexy. Woo! Watch the boom. Yo! This is the best. Laura, what you got there? Oh, it's good. It's good for you.
Little dark on the outside and white on the inside. You don't have to eat it, you just have to lick it. You just feel stress, baby. I don't think you're eating the right chocolate. You don't stress no
You know, girls just love to have fun, especially on the riverside. Thanks for joining me, guys. The vibe was lit. See you soon.